you've got to very clearly state what the problem is in business terminology. So you have to be making sure that you're saying what's wrong with the current solution, what it doesn't enable the business to do, and you have to be able to map that to some form of improved business value and commercial outcomes that you're delivering for the business. And the more sort of metrics and the more sort of analytical you can be about that, the less it relies on sort of purely an opinion, that the more stronger your business case will be. Really, your business case has to somehow get some level of buy-in from those key business stakeholders. And typically with solutions like integration solutions that you're looking to modernize, or some kind of data-driven solutions which are moving information around the business, often those kind of systems are invisible to those business stakeholders, or they're not fully aware of what they do, particularly if they don't break down or there's no issues with them. They may not fully understand what value they actually deliver to the business. So you have to tie in and align your modernization to that technology refresh or to those business priorities that the organization actually has, and make sure that you get that buy-in in terms of why it matters to them. And think of it really in terms of why should a business stakeholder pay for what you're trying to do in terms of application modernization.